Pioneering Vaccine Birthplace added to Heritage at Risk Register. Pioneering Vaccine Birthplace added to Heritage at Risk Register, a humble garden hut, recognized as the birthplace of immunology and a pivotal moment in global public health, has been added to England's Heritage at Risk Register. This unassuming structure, once the setting for Edward Jenner's groundbreaking smallpox vaccine trials, is now facing urgent repair needs. Edward Jenner and the dawn of vaccination. Edward Jenner, 1749–1823, is celebrated as one of history's most impactful figures, credited with saving more lives than virtually anyone else. His revolutionary work centered on the observation that contracting cowpox, a mild disease, conferred immunity against smallpox, a devastating and often fatal contagion. Jenner's garden hut, affectionately dubbed the Temple of Vaccinia, provided the setting for his pioneering experiments. A site of historic significance located in Berkeley, Gloucestershire, the hut is a simple structure built from brick and rubble stone with a thatched roof. It was outside this very hut that local villagers gathered, lined up to have their arms scratched with a lancet, receiving the first smallpox vaccine. Jenner would scrape pus from the cowpox-blistered hands of milkmaids and insert it into a cut on the skin of patients, often children. A pivotal trial involved an 8-year-old boy who, after exposure to smallpox, showed no signs of infection, effectively changing the course of medical history. The Heritage at Risk Register. A vital tool. The Heritage at Risk Register is an annual snapshot of England's historic buildings and sites facing the most pressing threats. This year, 138 sites were added, including Jenner's hut, while 129 were removed, demonstrating the success of conservation efforts. Among those removed from the list is Papelwick Pumping Station in Nottingham, lauded as a Victorian engineering marvel. Claudia Kenyatta, co-chief executive of Historic England, emphasized the importance of the register. It's a really good example of how going on the register can be a helpful moment to bring profile and attention and skills to these really important places, she said. Urgent repairs needed. The hut itself now requires urgent repairs to its thatched roof, rear wall, and chimney to ensure its preservation. Kenyatta explained that the addition to the register highlights the need for conservation work and can serve as a catalyst for action. Broader significance of the Heritage at Risk Register beyond Jenner's hut. The register includes a range of historically significant locations facing challenges. The Hill Garden Pergola, a long raised walkway within a stunning garden created for soap magnate William Lever. St. Wendreda's Church, the only church in the UK dedicated to a 7th century Anglo-Saxon princess saint. Its bells are currently silent due to roof instability. Cromford Mills, 2 Atrisk cottages, part of a site recognized as the birthplace of the modern factory system. Bruce Grove Public Toilets, a rare survivor of their type, revitalized with a cafe and community space. Largest timber frame townhouse, repaired and now an antique center in Gloucester. Ogle Smelting Mill, saved through conservation works, facilitating volunteer training and community engagement. A positive catalyst for conservation, the Heritage at Risk Register isn't solely about identifying concerns. It's also a driver for positive change. As Kenyatta noted, going on the register can be a really positive thing. It can often be a catalyst to bring people together and begin to find solutions to some of these really important buildings and places. The government's £15 million Heritage at Risk Capital Fund has also been key in safeguarding valuable landmarks. The preservation of Jenner's hut and the other sites on the register signifies a commitment to protecting England's rich history and ensuring its legacy for future generations. It serves as a vital reminder of the power of human ingenuity and the importance of safeguarding our cultural heritage.